Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution to Your Problems, where we discuss the hottest topics and provide you with the valuable insights to solve everyday challenges. Today, we are diving into a subject that's on everyone's mind: the impact of AI on job markets in 2024. Is AI going to take our jobs, or is it the key to unlocking new opportunities? Let's find out. Artificial intelligence or AI has been transforming industries for years, but in 2024, its impact is more profound than ever. From automating routine tasks to enhancing decision making, AI is reshaping the way we work. But what does this mean for you? Let's start with the opportunities. AI is creating entirely new job roles that didn't exist a decade ago. From AI trainers to data analysts and AI ethicists, the demand for specialized skills is growing rapidly. These roles not only offer competitive salaries but also chance a chance to work on cutting edge technology. If you are willing to upskill, the future is bright. Online courses, boot camps, and certifications can help you transition into those roles, even if you are starting from scratch. But it's not all sunshine and roses. AI is also automating jobs at an unprecedented rate. Routine tasks in manufacturing, data entry, and even customer service are increasingly being handled by machines. This could lead to job displacement, particularly in sectors where tasks are repetitive and easily automated. So, what should you do to stay relevant? The key is adaptability. By focusing on skills that AI can't easily replicate, like creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving, you can secure your place in the job market of the future. To sum it up, AI is both a challenge and an opportunity. While it's true that some jobs may disappear, others are emerging, offering exciting new possibilities. The secret to thriving in this AI driven world is continuous learning and adaptability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more solutions to your problems. And let me know in the comments what's your take on AI and the future of jobs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.